Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Stan Store. If you're a creator in 2025, your link in bio is your most valuable real estate. But for many, it is a mess. A confusing list of links sending your followers all over the internet. What if your link in bio could be your entire business? Your store, your calendar, your email list, all in one place, optimized for mobile. Today, we're gonna go deep into Stan Store, the all-in-one creator store that is changing the game. We will show you exactly how to set it up, to sell your digital products, and monetize your audience step by step. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go to stan.store, which is this link in here. And from here, you're gonna be able to start a 14-day free trial. Although you're gonna be require a credit card. But yeah, so just click in here and complete the registration steps. So what makes Stan different from a simple link lister like Linktree? While Linktree is a menu of links, Stan Store is the entire restaurant. It is a fully functional, mobile-first e-commerce store designed to live in your bio. The key difference is the native checkout. When a follower wants to buy your ebook or book a call, they don't get sent to another website. They can purchase directly from your Stan Store with a one-tap checkout. This seamless experience dramatically increases conversion rates, turning more of your followers into customers. Let's follow Chloe, a fitness coach who wants to monetize her audience beyond one-on-one training. So she's going to use Stan to sell a digital workout guide and offer paid consultations. After signing up for Stan's 14-day free trial, she's going to land here in the home section of the dashboard for Stan. This is where you can build your link in bio storefront. So let's actually complete this, 4 steps about completing our store setup. The first is going to be to add a profile picture, which by the way you can later modify if you click in here. Okay, so yeah, let's do it from here actually. If you click on this pencil icon, you can modify your picture, which is what we're going to do. You can upload it from your computer. You can drag this slider to zoom in and out. In my case, I'm just going to zoom out until I can see like the larger portion of this picture. And then I'm just going to click on use this photo. Now you basically have to put your display name. In my case, I'm just going to leave it like this, okay? And your bio, which is a short description that is going to appear in this storefront, okay? So just make it engaging and make it short, up to 80 characters. Also, make sure to fill in your Instagram username and TikTok username. And let's click on save after you're done. By the way, guys, here you have a preview on the right panel of how it's gonna look, okay? And here you also have a link of your Stan Store that you can then embed into your Instagram or Facebook or TikTok. So make sure to copy this and paste it into the appropriate social media. You can also click on this arrow to add things like your email, your Facebook, YouTube channel, and so on and so on. This is how it will look in the end. Now we're just going to add our first product by clicking here, create your first product. In my case, since I want to sell a workout guide, I'm just going to click on digital product, which is going to include like PDFs and things like that, okay? So let's click in here. Now you have 3 different styles for your product card. You can have a button, a callout, or preview. In my case, I'm just going to select the button. I think it's the easiest one and the one that looks more simple. You can also do callout, but preview I don't like so much. So let's click on button. Now here you must add your title. In my case, it's going to be 4-week fitness guide, okay? And you can also add the thumbnail. The only thing is that this thumbnail must be 400 by 400 in size, or otherwise it's going to be too large. So you can also upload it from this list of images that they have here, this list of stock images, okay? So I'm just going to look for a training. That's going to be my keyword. And I'm going to select this little picture in here. I'm going to put it like this and then use this photo. And there we have it. Let's click on next. And again, you have to customize all of these things, description, headlines, price, and so on and so on. So I'm just going to leave this to you. You can also add like a discount price, which I found very convenient for marketing purposes. And yeah, you can modify all of these things here. Something that I like is that you can generate with AI this description, which is what I'm going to do exactly. You can also require certain information from your customers by adding fields in here, okay? But yeah. And this is how it will look basically, guys. You can enter your name, your email, and so on and so on. And here you have the discounted price. Finally, just make sure that you upload your PDF file so that it's going to be sent to your clients after they purchase the guide. And here's how it will look, guys. You know, you have your profile picture and your guide in here that you can click on and you can buy it. As a final step, guys, we have to set up our direct deposit, which is where the money is going to go when our client makes a purchase. Okay, so let's click in here. And this is very simple, guys. We just have to register our Stripe account or our PayPal account, depending on what you want to use. Most of you are going to use a Stripe anyway, so let's just click in here and just, sign in with your credentials. So, what is the final verdict on Stan Store? If you're a creator on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and you have multiple things that you want to sell, such as digital products and consultations, Stan Store, in my opinion, is the best option in 2025. The reason is that you can build, very elegant and sleek stores in a unified platform in a matter of seconds. The only downside, in my opinion, is the price, of course, that you have to pay for it, right? But it's not very expensive, especially if you sell a lot of stuff. Also, one of the downsides that I don't like is that the stores are not really that customizable. You cannot really play around with the design a lot, okay? But the base design is actually very good. So yeah, guys, let's give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thank you so much.